Got him. Yep, or it's like a... Yeah. Damn, he's... Oh yeah, got it on GoPro. See, something bit him a little bit. Yeah, he crushed that. Yeah, it's on this swim bait here. Got one. Ah, let go. Got it. Yeah, he's good. This little like... Oh man, he's nice. Whoa. Jesus. There you go. GoPro. Nice one, this corner bass. Another nice one. No, there's nothing over there. You should. Got him. Told you. He's a little guy. The other one I caught was way bigger than this. Yep, right at the... He's got the like little like... Told you, they work. I love them. No, he like went that way. I think I fished this out too much. Oh, got him. Another pretty nice one.
That's a nice one.
Look at that chin. Whoa. Hopefully it's not the same one I caught. can't believe he hit it so close.
That's slow. Did you see him hit it too?
Yeah. There you go, GoPro. That's a nice one. Full body.